Alright, this is another ceiling fan down here in my basement of my house. This is an I don't know the name of this fan, but wait a minute, does that have a name on it? I don't know if you can see that up there or not. I don't know what the name of this fan is, but I'll have to watch the video later on and see. But this is a 52-inch unknown fan here in my basement here. This is a really low fan. I'm probably going to take it down someday and put it somewhere else. I know it looks nice. The problem is, my ceiling here is really low. It's only 7 feet here, and it needs to be at least 8 feet here. Yeah, but I'll go ahead and start up for you. Oops, gotta flip the switch here. There we go. Yeah, by the way, I put some LED bulbs in these so they won't get as hot and last longer. Alright. Here's the sorry about that. Here we go. Now we'll start the fan up on low. Oops. Sorry about that. I accidentally. Sorry about that, y'all. Sit right here a minute and you'll watch it speed up. This fan actually has 6 blades here. Sorry, I had a hat on. I'm accidentally hit one of the blades with one of my hats on, so that's what that sound was. There's actually 6 blades here on this fan. Yeah. Now we're gonna turn on medium. Blows a little more air on medium. Once again, this fan has 6 blades instead of 5, so it blows a little more air. See? I don't know, I'm gonna turn it up on high here. Sorry, I keep hitting my hat keeps hitting one of the blades because this fan's really low, so who knows if I'm gonna take it down someday or not. Anyway, we're gonna we'll put it on high now. Here we go on high. That fan feels good. Oh yeah, this blows lots of air. Alright. I don't want to see there's the top of it. I don't want to drop my camera. I don't want to. That would be bad if I broke it on while the blades were going. It does wobble. It does wobble a little bit, and it does shake too. On high, it shakes a little bit. Yeah, this is why I kind of don't like it down here. I know it looks pretty, but my ceiling down here is kind of low, so I gotta be careful down here. Blows more air on high. We're gonna turn it on low. It does make a little noise sometimes. There's it on low. There's medium. And here's low. Alright. That's low. Now we're going to turn it off. Alright, see? There's the top of the blade. 1. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See? There's 6 blades. This fan has 6 blades. There's the once again. Oh, this is a 52-inch Hermitage ceiling fan. No, this is a 52-inch Hermitage. I don't know the model, but this is just a 52-inch, a white 52-inch Hermitage here. See? So, alright. Alright. Now we're gonna put it back on low, because that's where I found it. Alright. That's back on low. Alright. Once again, there's the light. There we go. And I'm going to turn the light off. So those lights get pretty bright because they're LED. Alright. And I'm going to stop the fan. Alright, so this is actually a 52-inch white Hermitage ceiling fan here in my house. And hope you all enjoyed this video. Until then, peace.